Here are 3 ways I can help you make money on Fiverr. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Mike. I'm a Fiverr pro seller and I've been selling copywriting services on Fiverr, helping me make money on Fiverr for the past 3 years or so. On this YouTube channel, I create videos like this one where my goal is to help other freelancers and other Fiverr sellers improve their skills and make more money online. So whether you're new here and this is your first time watching one of my videos, or you've been subscribed to this channel for a while, here are 3 ways that you can leverage me, this YouTube channel, or my experience as a Fiverr seller to grow your Fiverr business and help you make more money online. Let's get into it. Number 1 is this YouTube channel. Obvious, right? Well, if you haven't already, I have over 170 videos that I've created on this channel, all focused on helping freelancers increase and improve their skills and make more money online and on Fiverr. So if you haven't checked out some of the playlists yet, I have playlists created for Fiverr beginners, for copywriters, a whole bunch of different playlists and a whole bunch of different videos that you can leverage to watch and help you get started on your Fiverr journey. If you're totally new here and you don't know which video or playlist to start with, here are 3 that I would recommend as a good starting point, and I'll include links to all 3 in the description of this video. The first is, as the title suggests, called What You Need to Know Before Starting on Fiverr. The second is my complete Fiverr tutorial for new Fiverr sellers. And the third is Making Money on Fiverr with Piktochart graphic design software. That's a great one for identifying some low competition Fiverr gigs you might be able to offer for sale on Fiverr. Check them out. Number 2 is by letting me review your Fiverr gig. So for the past, I would say about year, I've made my email available to any and all Fiverr seller who wants to send me their Fiverr profile, their Fiverr gigs, and have me review their Fiverr profile and gigs and provide feedback, tips, and advice on this YouTube channel. So I've been doing this for a while. I create either videos where I review Fiverr sellers and I give advice on how they can immediately improve their gigs to help increase the chances of them being noticed more in Fiverr search. And lately, I've been doing live streams where I queue up about 10 of these submissions and I review them live, giving live tips on this YouTube channel. So if you'd like me to review your Fiverr gigs as they currently stand, send me an email at mikenarditv@gmail.com. You can find my email on the About page of this YouTube channel if you're accessing it from a PC or a Mac. And if you're on a phone, I just said the email, it'll be on the screen somewhere. You can send me an email, let me know your Fiverr username and which gig you'd like me to review, and I'll do my best to review it as quickly as possible. And number 3 is to actually have me write or rewrite your Fiverr gig description. So if you've already watched a bunch of videos on this channel and on YouTube on how to become a Fiverr seller, how to learn skills to sell on Fiverr, you've submitted your profile and gig to me for review, and you still want some extra help, I've actually made myself available for hire for anyone who wants to hire me to write your Fiverr gig description and gig title using my experience to try to help you create a gig that's going to rank better in Fiverr search. Now, unlike the first 2 things I just listed, this isn't a free service. It's something that you'd have to pay me to do, and I offer it through Fiverr on one of my Fiverr gigs. It's called Write Fiverr Gig Descriptions That Sell. If you'd like to hire me to write or rewrite your Fiverr gig, I'll include a link to my gig in the description of this video. It's linked to on the links section of this YouTube channel. You can check it out, send me a message, and we can see if we can, get something going to help your gig rank a little bit better in search. But yeah, those are the 3 ways that I currently make myself available to help you guys all make more money on Fiverr, but I'm always looking on improving and adding new channels and new ways that I might be able to help you. So if you saw these 3 suggestions and you like them, but you think that I can do something a little bit differently, or you have a suggestion for something I might be able to do to help you, leave me a comment in the comment section of this video. I'll read your comment and I will definitely consider it. If I have the time, the bandwidth, and the ability to do whatever you're asking, I'll do my best to do it, because I'm here to help you guys, and it's been an awesome journey watching this channel grow and all of you Fiverr sellers grow with it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, cheers.